Hey all, welcome back to my channel, A Thousand Little Miracles. Today I am going to show you how I made my Backflow Incense Burner. So, let's get started. First, I'm making the pond. After rolling air dry clay 3 mm thick, I'm placing it on a lid. After drying 80%, I'll remove the lid and shape it with modeling ball tool. Let it dry completely. Let's make lotus. Roll air dry clay 3 mm thick and cut flowers with 3 different sizes of cutters. Now make the incense burner as I'm showing. Shape the flowers with ball tools and place them on spherical mold to dry. Now make the lotus leaves. I'm showing a unique way to make lotus leaves. Please watch carefully. Now I'm making lotus seed pod. Today's video will be little lengthy. Please watch till the end. All the parts of today's project are ready now. Our DIY project is almost finished. Let's start coloring it. Apply gesso or white acrylic color first. Then color all the parts as I'm showing. I have attached big leaves in the burner permanently. We can easily arrange the other parts as we wish. The small pieces of clay will give the other parts little height. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support would be very much appreciated. After drying acrylic color, don't forget to apply varnish on it. Now arrange all the parts. And burn the incense and place it on the burner. Now watch the magic. Isn't it pretty easy and beautiful? Let me know in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a very blessed day.